Welcome to 8 Logwood Drive, located in the sought-after community of Indigo Pointe. I have an amazing 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, plus a bonus room with an open floor plan and a fabulous kitchen waiting for you. Come check it out. One of my favorite things about this home is this amazing kitchen. You've got beautiful granite countertops, tile backsplash, tons of cabinetries, stainless steel appliances, including a gas cooktop and an amazing butler's pantry. You're gonna absolutely love this amazing outdoor living space. You got a beautiful screen porch, a patio, and an amazing level fenced-in backyard. Thank you so much for joining us here today at 8 Logwood Drive. For more information or to schedule your exclusive showing, contact Melissa Tofield at 864-525-9209.